Today I'm going to show you how I transplant one of my Winter Sown Poblano peppers into my square foot garden. So while I'm preparing the bed, I'm going to give you some history and facts on the Poblano pepper. We're going to clear out that square foot bed and we're going to add some compost to amend the soil to get it prepared for the new pepper plant. Then we're going to go ahead and plant that pepper plant. All right. Let's get down to the garden and get going. Poblanos originated in Puebla, Mexico. They are one of the most popular peppers grown there. The poblano plant is multi-stemmed and can reach 25 inches high. The pods grow 3 to 6 inches long and are 2 to 3 inches wide, and they are heart-shaped. Immature poblano peppers are deep purple-green in color and eventually turn dark red and black as they age. The poblano pepper is not considered hot or spicy pepper, although they do have a small amount of heat. They measure between 1,000 and 2,000 Scoville heat units. Compare that to a bell pepper, which has no heat and measures 0 on the Scoville heat units, and the jalapeno pepper, which tops out at 8,000 on the Scoville heat unit scale, and you'll get an idea of the poblano heat level. They can be a little hit or miss though. Specific plants can have a more mild or more spicy flavor. They are often used for stuffing when you're cooking them because they have nice thick walls and they have a nice cavity that you can put things in to stuff them. And they are oftentimes roasted too. Okay, so now we're gonna plant one of these poblano peppers into our square foot bed. I got the seeds for this from a poblano pepper that Grandma Sandy and Papa Ed got for us when they were here. They made us some Mexican food and they got a poblano pepper, and they suggested that I put some seeds from that poblano pepper into the ground and see how it would grow. So that's what I'm doing. Thank you, Grandma Sandy and Papa Ed. Okay, so we're gonna pick the biggest one out of here. We're gonna go down, get as many of the roots as possible. Try not to disturb the plant too much, which is gonna be a little difficult when it's in this winter soak container because they are a little bit close together, but peppers are very resilient. They don't mind being transplanted a whole lot. Now, peppers are not like tomatoes. You can't plant them super deep and have them grow roots up the stem, but you can plant them a little bit. I usually like to plant them to this first leaf here, at least that deep. So we'll make a little hole here. Put the pepper right in the middle. We're only gonna put one pepper in our square foot bed because these peppers do get pretty large. So there we go. It's gonna be planted down to where that first leaf was. So we'll leave a little bit of a depression here until we water it in. So let me go get the water. I'm gonna put actually a good bit of water on because this is pretty dry. We haven't gotten much rain here this spring. We could use some more rain. So I'm gonna give this a lot of water actually. Water my other square foot beds while I'm here too. Down here I got the onions and the garlic. Okay, then we're just going to smooth that out and make sure the bed's nice and full. Peppers do require some support. So those tomato cages that they sell at the stores that are way too small for tomatoes are perfect for peppers. But on this one, I think I'm gonna go ahead and use this bamboo. I'm gonna put 4 bamboos in the corners so that I can tie these peppers up and give them some support so their branches don't break when they're loaded with peppers. And also, since I'm planting this in the morning, I'm gonna go ahead and put this bucket here to give it some shade so it's not in the full sun right after it's transplanted. Actually, I might go ahead and just put that bucket right over top of it. I don't think that'll get too hot because it has holes in the bottom of it for drainage. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that over it so that it's not gonna be in the full hot sun as soon as it's planted. So I sacrificed one of my Jerusalem artichokes because I only found 2 of these bamboo stakes to put up for my trellis. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put these bamboos in the corners. They're nice and sturdy. And then in the other corners, I will put this Jerusalem artichoke. And we'll make a makeshift trellis here. And I'm going to use my little fastening tool. Then I can fasten my pepper to that as it grows. If you would like to learn how to grow nutrient-dense organic food, make sure that you're subscribed and click that bell so you get notified and don't miss anything. I'll go ahead and leave a link up in this corner to my video I just got done recently on how to make the best soil for your garden. And over here, I will leave a link to my square foot gardening series. Thanks for watching, have a blessed day, and I'll see you again real soon.